Okay, let's talk about spin. From giant planets to tiny atoms, everything does it. It's incredibly powerful.
Now this isn't science fiction. It's a flywheel, a device that stores energy just by rotating.
So how can a simple spinning wheel do all that? To get it, we need to dive into the physics.
If you want to make something spin, you don't just push it. You have to apply a twist called torque.
And what's wild is that it's not just how you push, but where. The angle and distance are everything.
Now, moment of inertia is basically how lazy an object is about spinning. It's all about resistance.
Okay, think about it. A hoop versus a solid disk. Same mass, but the hoop's way harder to spin.
And here's why. The math shows that an object's shape completely changes how it resists spinning.
You know how momentum keeps things moving? Well, angular momentum is what wants to keep things spinning.
And this leads to a kind of superpower, the conservation of angular momentum. Total spin stays the same.
Cats are masters of this. Mid-air, they change shape to twist their bodies and land on their feet.
You've seen this with ice skaters, right? Arms out, they're slow. Pull them in, and they spin like crazy.
And this is how our flywheel stores energy. Notice, it's tied to the square of the spin speed. Whoa!
So to max out that energy, engineers get really clever with materials and design to reduce friction.
We're talking speeds over 50,000 RPM. Yeah, that's way faster than a modern jet engine.
And this same physics isn't just for storing energy. It's what keeps satellites orbiting the Earth.
Ever swing a ball on a string? That inward pull you feel? That is a real force called centripetal force.
People mix this up constantly. Centripetal force is the real inward pull. Centrifugal is just inertia's feeling.
For a satellite, gravity is that constant inward force, perfectly bending its path into an orbit.
And this stuff is everywhere. Power grids, Formula One cars, even roller coasters, you name it. So why use a flywheel instead of a battery? Well, they last way longer and charge almost instantly.
So it makes you wonder, right? What if your next battery wasn't a battery at all?